Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify for subscription boxes. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So for this one, you're going to need any integration that is providing you capability of subscription models. So you can easily get that, no rocket science. Head over to search bar on the top and then search in here for subscription, as you can see in the app store, not in the help center. So once you do that, you're gonna get any of these integrations that are looking good. So I suggest you go with something like order grooves, or maybe you have your Shopify subscription, and these are going to provide you this type of capability. So yeah, I hope this makes sense and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.